Welcome back, you guys. So today's video, I just wanted to show you guys what I believe I finally got fixed and should work just fine. So if you guys haven't already known, I'm actually into Blender a lot. Like, Blender is like my number one go-to program for 3D printers, CNC machines, basically the works. It can do so many different things. It's like 5 app programs in one. But so many years ago, I designed this. Is basically a mount for my huion. I don't know if you guys can see that right here, huion. So my huion drawing tablet, I have the kamvas 16. I think it's called the Pro. It can do, I think it's 4K as well. It's a drawing tablet. It has a full graphics, touch screen with the pen stylus. So I did a video about that many years ago about using it for Blender, but so that's the reason why I'm showing you this, because when I had my CO2 laser cutter working, I laser engraved the name, the Blender symbol onto this piece of wood, and my YouTube name, Legit Lee, over here. And you see Kamvas Pro 16, Legit Lee. I engraved and cut using my CO2 laser cutter out of this thin piece of wood here. So if you can see on the back, I got two I guess you could call them M8. They're the 8mm threaded, not threaded, but regular rods here on the back side. And I got these grooves for the rods to be placed in, so that way I can level or adjust the height or the degrees, basically, for the drawing tablet. So when I pull this up here, it can go down to the back here, the back side. If I could just get that gear, that spot, there we go. But so over here, my poles come out of the sides here on that side as well. If I could just, it's hard to get it all with one hand, but all I gotta do is just put them in, like, just like this, if I can get this one there. But I'm sorry if this video is looking kind of ridiculous right now, but it's just because I'm trying to do two things with one hand. Well, I don't have three hands, so anyway, I can adjust the height, and then I 3D designed and 3D printed these using Blender in my 3D printer. And they're grooves to help stop the drawing tablet from sliding off the edge here. So over here, there's some edges to the end of where the wood comes out. So I designed this. It has a little curve at the top here to hold on to the tablet, or the drawing tablet, just to make sure it doesn't slide off. So it fits right in here. So I 3D printed these two white ones out of ABS. And I drilled a hole all the way through the wood and put some screws in here just to make sure that this can't move. So then I 3D printed a PLA one that I just got some PLA last night. So I made another one because the ABS kind of warps and it was cracking, so I had to use some super glue on this one. But so since I had 3D printed this, they only take 2 hours and like 22 minutes, I believe, to make one. So I 3D printed this PLA one and two of the ABS ones. So just in case I need to replace, I did super glue this one, so it should be fine. But either way, I have some more PLA and I still got more ABS, so I do have the file if I ever need to replace it. But so far it seems like it'll work out just fine. And if you guys want to see the drawing tablet sitting on this design that I have built and made, let me know in the comments down below. I'll make another video about the drawing tablet actually sitting onto this drawing tablet mount, basically. I don't really know exactly what they're called right now, but I know you can get the adjustment that can level or adjust the degrees. So this is probably like a 45 degrees right here. So either way, it can get taller. Like I can do like a 90 degrees if I wanted to, but I want to have it kind of tilted so that way when I'm drawing or trying to use like Blender to do sculpting or something, I don't have to worry about messing with it so much. It'll be in place and I won't have to worry about it falling off, because I 3D printed these stoppers basically to keep the drawing tablet in place. So when I'm drawing or pressing really hard, so you know, you got to have pressure sensitivity on to the drawing tablet. So I just wanted to make sure that when I'm pressing down, it won't move and fall off of this mount that I have here. So that's why I 3D printed these pieces. But yes, if you want to see the drawing tablet actually sitting on this design that I've made and fixed, let me know in the comments down below so I can make another video for you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate anybody looking at my videos. Thank you for looking at it. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.